I'm Rangana Piyarathne, barista in Colombo, Sri Lanka. So today I'm going to talk about how to make Americano. So just we need espresso and hot water, simple as that. So not like other coffee like heating milk, steaming milk and like those. We need only hot water and the espresso. So let's move on. Take the rope handle. Same as wipe the rope handle and take some coffee and tap. First tap, second tap, wipe the ring, merge it and put it in the group. And we are taking for this espresso, the espresso glass, and separate we take hot water for this because we are serving Americano in this cup. And this is our hot water and this is our espresso. So you can see the two separate and we put espresso into the hot water and simple as that, and this is like few minutes. So thank you, subscribe my channel and see you again in next video. Thank you.